Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about COALESCE function in Oracle database. So at here I'm using Toad for Oracle and currently working on escort schema. So at here I'm using the table tab 1. So this is the record inside the tab 1 table and about the COALESCE function. So it returns first not null value from the columns. So this is the definition. COALESCE function returns the first now not null expression in the list. If all expression evaluate to null, then COALESCE function will return first or null values. And here it's just like if else, if then else statement. So let's see by example. So at here, going to use select statement, and here let's use COALESCE function. COALESCE, and here I'm going to pass add your columns or first name, middle name, last name. So if you compare with three columns, so add here the first not null value is Smith. So Smith display, and here if you compare this Allen, salesman and null, the first not null value Allen. So Allen display here the first not null value. So this is the null here salesman here lane. The first not null value at your salesman, so salesman display, and here if you compare this, so at your John's manager and your null. So at your first not null value Jones, so Jones display, and your Martin null and your Jake. So at your first not null value is Martin, so Martin will display. So let's give at here the columns first name, and hereafter middle name, and hereafter last name, and hereafter let's give alias name, so add here giving name. Now from here or from and give the table name, so add here I'm using tab 1. If you execute this query, so see add here it's returning first not null values and here name, so name is the alias, so in place of this all, so in place of this all, the value is displaying name. So name is the alias, and here by using COALESCE function, so it returns first not null values. Now here after if you wanna include some columns, so right here let's include EMP number. Now here after first name, middle name, or EMP number, first name, middle name, and hereafter last name. Now if you execute this query, so I'm getting the error. Let's rectify. First name, middle name, last name, and here let's give comma. Now execute that again. So see at here getting the expected output. So at here Smith, Kirk, and Wesley. The first not null value is the Smith. So Smith displaying here. Now here after Allen, salesman, and null. So the first not null value is Allen, Allen displaying. So at here now null, salesman, and name. The first not null value is salesman here. So it's the salesman displaying. So this is the use of COALESCE function to handle the null values in Oracle database. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.